Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
Bhuvan. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. And how have you been doing?
Sorry?
How have you been doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, what's up? Have you taken your lunch?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I have taken. And what's about you?
No, not yet. I'll take after the session.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So,
Yeah,
did you see the session document today?
yeah, yeah. I did see.
About, yes, it's about goals, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's about goals. Yeah,
Okay. Then, do you like this topic?
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Then you have to tell me what is your biggest goal in life?
Mm, What is my biggest goal in life? I want to be rich. I think.
Okay, so you want to be very rich.
Yeah, yeah. I think
Right?
there's. Yeah, yeah.
Go
Like,
on.
yeah. I want to be affluent. Affluent.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, that's
yeah,
the right word.
yeah.
Okay. So, what will you do when you are rich?
Uh, Actually, I think like uh, like through virtual, I think I can earn more money uh, through virtual.
Right?
Like
As
like
in virtual one.
yeah, like I'm thinking about like I have my own YouTube channel, so
Yes.
where I upload my conversation, and apart from that, I'm thinking to start a blog.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, because sometime I watch on YouTube. More people are earning a lot of money through blogging, through YouTube, through their videos.
Yes.
So so
Right.
yeah. So I think because it is easy rather than going somewhere. So
Okay.
yeah. So
If you can't say it's easy because everything has its challenges along with it. So,
yeah,
and you were talking about vlogging, right? Not
yeah, blog.
blogging. Blogging is something different. Blogging in blogs we generally write stuff. That was the initial meaning, but now there's this vlogging, video vlogs. So you're
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about that, right? Yeah.
yeah. No, actually I'm talking about blogging. BLOGGING blogging. Yeah,
So,
yeah,
what is that? I mean, what will you do with that?
yeah. In that blogging, I will learn. Sorry, I will write English content.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. So, will you be writing on particular websites or will you make your own blog website?
No, I will make my own blog. I will make my own blog, and I will share like how can you learn English because
Yeah,
yeah, because
that's
right now I am yeah, because right now I am learning through clapping like other apps.
mhm.
So so in my blog I will share how can how can they learn, like
Yeah,
what are
that's
yeah,
good.
yeah like
So
what are
they'll
the
be helped by your blogs. Yeah, they'll get a lot of help.
yeah, like what are the difficulties when you learn a language. Yeah,
Yes.
so
Okay, that's nice.
yeah, yeah.
So, you said that more people are earning through blogs and like that,
Hmm.
through virtual platforms. So,
Hmm.
if not more people, you want to say many people are doing this thing. Yeah, more people is a comparison. You can
Okay,
say,
yeah, and it,
less and more. Yeah, so you want to say that a large number of people are doing it. Yes. So you
okay,
will say many people are doing it, not more people.
okay, many people are doing it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. More is something that we use when we are comparing. Okay.
when we
Less
are compared to
and more.
things. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay. So
yeah,
yeah.
so yeah, so more money is right when I say many people are earning more money. So here more is right, or
Many, if you're comparing, like many people, how we're saying it depends on the sentence, right? So if you want to say that, let's say, what example should we give? That a person in an MNC. and a
Okay.
person in any local firm maybe. So the
Okay.
person in the MNC will be earning more than the other person who is not, who is doing a random job, maybe like that.
Okay. So in this sentence, we can't use more, like I want to say, many people are earning the बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा. So what should
A
I
lot of
use?
money,
A lot of
a
money.
lot of
Okay.
money.
Okay. Okay. A lot of money. Yeah. Yeah.
And for one more example, for more money is like the Prime Minister of India earns more than any other minister, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So his salary is more than any other minister,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
that. And बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा कमा रहे हैं, you can say they are earning a lot of money.
Lot of money. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
So yes, now I've got your goal that it is to become rich. Okay. So when you're rich, I mean, you will be rich through your virtual things, yeah? Your
Okay.
blogs and
Mm-hmm.
your YouTube videos. Let's say.
Mm.
So that is what you said, right? Through virtual platforms. So then you'll become famous also, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely.
Okay. Then how do you plan to become a blogger? What will you do to become a blogger?
What will I do? Like, what will I do after?
No, no. How are
Mm,
you planning to become a blogger? As in, for becoming a blogger, what all things you need to do and how will you go about it?
yeah. Actually, right now, English is my primary goal. Like I
Okay.
like yeah, I want to be fluent in English. So, and I'm thinking about like my blog. My blog content isn't like my blog content is in Hindi, in uh, but
Okay.
through Hindi, I will teach English.
All right.
Like
Okay.
yeah, yeah, like in my blog, I will tell about tenses. I will tell about
Mm-hmm. But in
where,
Hindi.
yeah,
Hmm.
but in Hindi. Like I will tell
Okay.
where you can use more, where you can use lot
Mm,
of,
yes, yes. Because now
like
you know you can tell.
yeah,
Right.
like all the things which I learning from you, from Clappingo.
Okay.
So I will
Okay.
share all the things there. So this is
That's
my plan.
nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, that's a good thing. All right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you said that English is your primary goal. What do you think are your other short-term goals?
Mm, yeah, actually, ma'am, I am also preparing for government exam.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
you told me.
so this is also my priority, means priority. My priority is
Yes,
uh,
it is your
yeah,
primary.
yeah, and I am doing I'm doing hard work for it. But if I didn't get select, because I couldn't get, if I not select, uh,
If
if
I
I
am not selected, or if I could not get the selection,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, if I could not get the
Not if
selection,
I didn't get selected. No,
yeah,
yeah,
okay.
that's wrong.
Yeah, so definitely, so I think through English, so this is my personal opinion, through English I think I can earn, if if I have a good command on English. So if I will do private job in MNCs, so here, so there also English is necessary. So this is also in my
Right.
mind. Yeah, so these are the things also in my mind. Yeah.
Because English is a mode of communication, right? And
Yeah.
presently, almost everywhere you will need this because
Yeah.
through this you can connect with anybody, not just a person who can speak Hindi, but to a person who speaks any other local language, doesn't know Hindi. So you will have
Yeah.
to talk to them in English.
Yeah.
That's why for every job, I think for every job requirement, you need this.
Yeah.
This is one of the eligibility criteria. I believe.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. And ma'am, yeah, one thing more. And if you want to learn other languages, suppose you want to learn French, you want to learn German, Spanish, so also you should have a great knowledge about English, because the
Exactly, because
yeah,
they'll be teaching in English only.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
yeah, because tutor also speak in English. So how did you
Yes.
get?
So
Yeah,
how will you be able to get?
yeah, yeah. How will you able to get the things? Yeah,
How will you be able?
yeah,
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 be able to get things. All right.
Yeah,
When you said the tutor also speak in English.
yeah.
Did
The
you say
tutor,
that?
I think the tutor also speaks in
Speak
English.
in English. Yes.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
tutor will be speaking in English because you don't have
yeah,
a particular tutor right now who is teaching any other foreign language. But
yeah,
if you go and further, maybe you want to learn some other language, so the tutor will be speaking in English only, right?
yeah. And ma'am, yeah,
Okay.
right now there are multiple app, like I think you know about Udemy.
No, which one? Sorry.
Udemy, Udemy,
Udemy. Yes, yes.
Udemy, yeah,
Udemy.
Udemy,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah. So if you want to learn
There are
anything,
many
so you should,
courses.
yeah, there are a lot of courses there. So if you want
Yes,
to learn anything, so you should have knowledge English.
that's true.
Otherwise, you can't
Knowledge of
access.
English. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
yeah,
Because everything people are learning a lot of things online these days.
yeah,
Yeah, but things online are not necessarily available in our regional languages. So if
yeah,
we know English, that is a very big plus point for everybody that they can learn anything online.
yeah. Yeah. English is
Yeah,
everywhere.
that's true. So
Yeah,
you said that learning English and getting a good government job is my short-term goal.
my
So
short
what do
term
you
goal.
think is your long-term goal? Is there any long-term goal?
Yeah, ma'am. I think after getting my short term goal, so I think then I will think about long term goal.
No, but we have things in our mind right now. Like I have a long-term goal
Mm,
that when I be like yeah, like you said, that when I be very rich, when I earn tons of money, then
yeah,
I'll make my own home at at a mountain or in a hilly area because we are from plains. So my hometown is here in UP, and I want to live in mountains. So I want to make my own home on a
in
mountain
in
in
mountain.
any of yeah, like maybe in
Okay,
Uttarakhand or maybe in Himachal Pradesh. But I know I just like Uttarakhand more than Himachal Pradesh.
okay.
So because I've been there more than Himachal. So yeah, I want to live in Uttarakhand. That is my long term goal. I can't achieve it in like next year or in next 2 years. I can't achieve that because I need a lot of money. So it'll take me a lot of years. So that is my long term goal. Okay. So
Yeah,
you can't, if you can't say that once I achieve my short term goals, I think about the long term goals. Long term goal is something that it is always in your mind and you'll do it sometime.
yeah. Actually, ma'am, yeah. Actually, yeah. The one thing is that I want to like I love tranquility.
Okay, tranquility. Yes.
Yeah, tranquility. So basically, I want to live in my village.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, because I love peace. Because 1 or 2 years back, I used to live in Delhi. I used
Okay,
to
you
live in
you
there.
live in Delhi. Okay.
Yeah,
Were you
because
studying in Delhi?
no, no, no. Actually, I was taking coaching from there.
Oh, okay. All
Yes,
right.
yeah, yeah.
For banking
So
exams, right?
yeah, so in Delhi, when I used to live there, so like Delhi is very crowded
Uh-huh.
Delhi. Yeah, and mm, like in metro cities, you can't live with peace.
That's true.
Like
Yeah, that's true. But we should have peace within ourselves because it is not important that if there's peace around you, you'll be peaceful. Although it's
yeah,
true
yeah,
that villages are much more peaceful as compared to cities or metro cities, but you can gain, inner peace. But yes, if you are from village, you won't like the cities like Delhi, definitely.
yeah.
And that
And
too, a
when I
village in Uttarakhand. Oh my God, look at you, look at the scenery
yeah,
behind you. Why would you ever want to live somewhere? Yes.
yeah, and when I first time sat in metro, so there is a station called Rajiv Chowk. Rajiv Chowk. So it is totally
Yeah,
like what the word for like jam packed. It was totally
I
jam
know.
packed. So first time I saw like how many people they are, because in my
How
village
many
in my
people are there? Yes.
yeah, because in my village only I think 35 to 40 people live here only.
Wow, really?
Yeah, really.
35
Yeah,
to 40 people. That's it.
yeah, that's it.
Oh my
That's it.
God.
Yeah,
Wow.
and my village is the smallest village.
Okay,
Is
smallest.
all uh, not Uttarakhand, but in this area, I think, in this Chakhotia area.
Okay.
Yeah. So my village is smallest. Yeah.
Wow.
So I live this
Obviously,
kind of thing.
then when you're sitting in just one coach, not in the whole metro, in just one coach, there are more than
Yeah.
30 to 40 people. So, uh,
Yeah.
and there are only 30 to 40 in your whole village. So obviously,
Yeah.
you will not want to live in Delhi. So, where in Delhi did you take your coaching from?
I was taking coaching from GTB Nagar.
Okay, where, which
GTB
coaching?
Nagar.
Yeah.
Career Power. Career Power.
Okay, that's nice. We were there at the same time.
Yeah.
I did not take the
And
coaching from
also
Hyderabad, but I used to live in GT Nagar.
at first time I saw GTB Nagar. Wow, it is a hub for students really. The first time I watched this kind of things like
Hmm.
students, coaching
It's just
institute,
coachings and
books,
coachings all in that line. Yeah.
coach, yeah, coaching and coachings, and people are busy in libraries. People are like,
Yeah.
and that time yeah, and that time I also joined library.
Okay. So where were you
Yeah.
living? You were living in GT Nagar only?
No, no, no. I used to live in my relatives in Vasant Kunj, near
Oh,
Chhatarpur.
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So it take me I think 1 or 2 hours to reach there.
It took.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It took me yeah 1 or 2 hours to reach there because
But the good thing is, I think Chhatarpur is on the yellow line itself. So you could come
yeah, yellow
directly.
line.
You did not have to
Yeah,
change the lines. Changing the lines, I find it
yeah,
so hectic.
yeah.
As in changing the routes,
And when
yeah.
you are
Blue
changing
line,
from
yellow line.
yeah, and when you are changing from Rajiv Chowk, so it is very tough to change there.
That's the toughest. That's the toughest thing. Getting
Yeah,
down
that's the
from the
toughest. Yeah.
Rajiv Chowk metro station was like, oh my god, no, I don't want to do this. I wish there was some other way I could reach, but